Greetings, and welcome to episode 3 of Get Ungrounded Trivia. This is a special episode because today is the very first anniversary of the original Get Ungrounded Trivia, created by Pappy Animate 2012, so let's all say hello to him.
Thank you everyone, it feels great to be here.
Would you like to say something to the audience, Pappy?
Well, why not? Well guys, I would say thank you all for showing all of your support towards the original Get Ungrounded Trivia series created by me for the past year. On this momentous day, May 2nd, 2021, I uploaded the very first episode of the original Get Ungrounded Trivia, and I thought it would just be a random video. But because I've been getting hundreds of nice comments and requests for episode 2, I have decided to turn Get Ungrounded Trivia into its own series. I know you guys are upset that I ended the original Get Ungrounded Trivia series a few months ago, but you know what they say, all good things must come to an end. Ever since I started this series, my channel went from about 4,000 subscribers to over 20,000 subscribers, and you guys are extremely supportive when I started all of this. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much to everyone in GoAnimate for watching the original Get Ungrounded Trivia series since May 2nd, 2021.
Okay Pappy, you may go now. Alright everyone, before we get the game started, let's all say hello to our most popular baby show character in GoAnimate, and our co-host, Caillou Anderson.
It feels great to be here once again, Boris.
I know, and as always, stand near the screen that introduces questions.
Sure, why would I not remember that?
Now let's introduce our contestants for today, shall we? Yeah! Alrighty then, our first contestant is L Gaming. He requested himself to be on the show in episode 1 of Saket's version of Get Ungrounded Trivia. Up next, we have Boris Anderson, another clone of me who is probably like Chorus and Lily. Thirdly, we have Elmo, and he will kill all my brain cells by giving me stupid answers. And to make matters worse, we have Alyak, and he will definitely kill all my brain cells by talking gibberish. Time to explain the rules. You all will get a series of questions that contains 15 questions for you all to have the opportunity to get grounded or ungrounded. Only if you buzz in to answer a question. There will be 5 questions per round, so 15 divided by 5 is 3 rounds. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay then, let's start this episode with an easy warm-up question.